How to edit Framer template. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, as you can see, we're currently back on Framer, and our focus for today is to show you how you could modify and edit the different templates that are actually available for us to utilize and take advantage of inside of our Framer over here, as you can see. So, let me show you an example of a partially modified template that I have utilized and done. It's not a big thing, I just tried one small thing, and I would like you guys to see that small modification, which is, as you can see, adding some GIF on our template over here. So this is a template actually that I have, or we did, as you can see here. So let me go back to our dashboard and let's start actually with a fresh project so that we're all in the same page. Create new project over here. And now let's get started. So the different templates that are found in Framer that you could actually use and take advantage of is located in the insert button over here on the left side, or like the top left section of our website. So selecting this will allow us to see our different templates. So we have basics, CSM, elements. So we have a lot of templates available for us. And let's start talking about our pages first, or our basics. In the basics, this will allow you to build your website from scratch fairly easily and very quickly, depending on what type of website you're trying to make as well. So as you can see here on the sample templates, you have landing pages, you have portfolios, teasers, blog articles, sidebars, project page, and many more. You can take advantage of these different pages and quickly build out your different pages that you have in Framer. So for example, let's add our landing page over here. So this is the template that you guys saw earlier. We have our very basic landing page over here. To be able to modify this existing landing page or this existing template that I have just dragged or imported into our design, simply click on the section that you want to modify and you will be able to see it over here on the right side, information about that specific section. To modify specific parts like our title page over here, simply do double click and you will be able to modify. So let's say, welcome to my website, as you can see. And the cool thing about this specific template or the templates in the basic is that you will have or automatically have um, tablet versions or mobile phone versions over here, which is really cool. Over here, we have our image container. So if you do double click this, you can actually choose between the different images that you have. So let's say we have this one. And then you could choose or like modify the resolutions, as you can see, and the type, positioning, stuff like that, as you can see. And you could also use plugins if you prefer. As you can see, there's different types of plugins that are available for you to play with. So aside from that, let's not focus on that first. So we have that, and then you have your buttons over here that will typically come with our template, of course. So you could choose different effects over here on the right side, as you can see. The content, you can choose the content over here, and many more. Let me zoom in over here so that you guys could see. Selecting this specific option, or like this part. If you're having a hard time selecting specific elements, simply navigate over here on the left side where you can click all layers. And then you can see that I am selecting the button. And then you are seeing now the options of that button over here on the right side, as you can see. Same thing with the logos. You are able to modify the graphics over here. You can change the information that is currently placed over here. You could delete parts that you don't like. Maybe this FAQ part over here. Simply select the specific section and then you could delete it just like that. I could delete this one. There we go. You could select the entire section as well. And we could add another section over here if you prefer. Now, aside from the pages, of course, or like the pages itself, we also have templates for sections. And over here, we have different types of sections available for us to utilize and take advantage of. So let's say I want to add a pricing template or a pricing section over here. Now we have our pricing page or pricing section. And now you can simply modify different information. If I want 599, that could be something we could have. As you can see, everything is adjusting automatically for us. Then do the same thing for the different parts over here. You have your buttons over here. You can modify where it is going to be uh, redirecting to, as you can see under the link over here. Then you could modify specific parts. You could change the colors over here. Depends on your preference, as you can see. For the text, let's modify the text over here. Since we change it into black background, we can now try and change this into white, as you can see. Very easy. It's very simple to modify different parts of the template. Over here, aside from our different sections, you also have your typical navigation, like the navigation bars. As you can see, we have your menus. You could add a simple menu over here. You could add that as well. Then you have the different content as well. What else do we have? We have collections or like fields for CSM. Now over here we have more specific parts, like specific elements like text, some arcs, some scribbles, countdown, time and date, wave pattern, grid pattern, noise pattern. These are just for effects or like to improve your creativity. So maybe I could put this noise pattern over here on top of our dog effect. Here we go. Something that you will be able to add. Did it become a filter or a frame? I think it became a frame. Let's do it once again. Add our noise effect or noise pattern. Stop moving. Noise pattern. There we go. So we have our noise over here, and you can simply put it wherever you want it to be, I guess. As you can see, it's just a very cool effect overall. So let me delete this. What else do we have? We accidentally added animation over here under media, this one. So you have images. You could put GIFs, videos, YouTube, Vimeo, Lottie for animation, audio. You could add your Spotify over here, like a Spotify template. As you can see, really cool. Then you could modify, of course, the song, the title, stuff like that. Depends on what URL song is added over here on the left side or the settings side. What else we have? We have forms. So if you want to get some forms out of your users, you can add this as well. You have your different icons, interactive, you have slideshow, carousel, banners, socials, and utilities over here. So there's so many templates that you guys could use and put into your website design. Anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.